Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Neutron570, where I always give you fresh content all the time, every day. All right, let's begin. We're going to do what I like to do. It's called no weights, it's a power chest crunch, I call it. I challenge you to do these, but do it high reps, stand straight, like so, arms at shoulder length. Now, begin. 1, 2. Inhale through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. Let's go. You can spread your legs, shoulder length. Let's go. 1, 2. And if you even want a deeper burn, bring it like this then. Cross your arms. I switch the arms from this one, and then when I come back, I'll switch it to this one. So let's go. And do this until you can't no more. I'm telling you, the results are incredible. Now I'm going to go back to doing it like this. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel, Neutron570, where I always give you fresh content on a daily. That's a really good exercise. Let's go. Let's get back to it. I appreciate the new subscribers, all the new viewers. Thank you. Thank you for making my channel a part of your life. All right, let's go. Back straight. Now, let's cross them. You're working a lot of other muscles, like more than your chest muscles also. Shoulder, chest. Man, I did these the one time. I felt so good afterwards though. But it's a definite deep cardio burn. Thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel, Neutron570, where I give you fresh content on a daily. Have a great day.